Welcome to this Buzz Building screencast where I'm going to talk about what it means to set links to pop up in a new window. So here I am right now as a student going through a Buzz course. I've come upon this page. This page has some links on it. If I, as a student, click on this first link here, let's see what action that takes. That pops the link out to its own new window or new tab. And my Buzz page is still here. This is something that can be deliberately set by the teacher. So you want to think about this when you're designing your courses. Now let's compare that with another link down here. If I click on this link, this one is not set to pop up in a new window. So let's watch what happens. The Buzz page or the Buzz tab that I'm currently on is changing to that link. So this can cause confusion if links are not set to pop up to a new window. The student may not know where to go right now. They may not think to use the back button to go back to Buzz. It might cause some complications if things are not opening in a new tab. So let's take a look at how the teacher can ensure that links, when clicked on, do open in a new window. Let me go into editor mode for this course. And I'm going to edit this page. So this first link, and this is something I do whenever I'm done designing a page. I go down and I double click on any of the links. If I double click on a link, it brings up the insert link. And you can see here this checkbox pop up in a new window. That's why that first link behaved that way, why it popped out to a new tab or to a new window. And that's what I want. So what I end up doing is as I'm building my links, I will check that box. But let's say I forget one, or if I've copied or pasted any text or links in from another source, those don't come in with that checkbox automatically checked. So in this case, this whole description I used from the podcast page that I'm referring students to here. So these links are all not set to pop up in a new window. So as cleanup, I will go through and I will double click on all the links and check that box, pop up in a new window. And I'll do the same for this one. And for this one. Now notice there, when I double clicked that one, it only selected part of the link. That's okay. If you have any part of the link, that continuous link selected, when you check that box, it's actually taking effect for the whole link. And you'll see the color there will slightly change. So if I did click over here on the same link, you can see it's already checked. So this is just a good thing to build into your workflow as you're wrapping up your pages, as you're copying, pasting things in. Just go through, double click on the links, and make sure that that checkbox for pop up in a new window is checked. One thing to think about with that, though, when you are linking things, these examples I gave was I was linking out to another website. If you're linking to things within your course, maybe you're going to link to another folder or another activity or another specific place. You can choose there to pop up in a new window or not. That might get confusing if it does pop up in a new window, because then you'll have many Buzz windows open. So my rule of thumb is if I'm linking to something outside of Buzz, meaning if I'm using URL, I do check off pop up in a new window. If I'm linking to other places in the course, I don't check off pop up in a new window, because it's just going to take them to that page and they can always use the regular Buzz built-in navigation to get back to where they need to go. So those are some things to think about with how you handle links when building your course. Thanks for watching.